Jumping on the bed. Fall down and bump their head. Mama call the doctor? The doctor said no more monkeys. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed, fall off and bump their head. Good job, Darcy. Ow! They bumped their head. That's right. What happened next? Mama called the doctor? Doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh. But who jumps on the bed last? Mama? Who's that? Mama jumps on the bed. Yeah. They go to sleep now. After all their boo-boos. That's right. Say night-night, monkeys. Bump their head.